For lime water, what is the requirement? The requirement is lime powder, that is chalk powder or slaked lime. It is also known as slaked lime, and water is required. What I am doing? Just I am pouring. Okay, and now pouring. After pouring, we have to take a small quantity lime, slaked lime powder, and we have to just put inside the tap water which we have collected. Now, what we will do? Now, yes, with the help of stirrer, you have to stir this solution. You have to stir this solution. Whenever two molecules like water molecule and slaked lime molecule, now they are mixing inside the water, a solution is formed. So what is this? This is the lime water. What is this? This is the lime water. Now what you have to do? Just this lime water to pour inside the test tube. That's it. And another test tube also you have to fill with lime water. Hold it again. Anyone from boys? Yes. So again, with the help of funnel, with the help of stirrer, allow that lime water to pour inside the test tube uniformly. That's it. And now settle down the test tubes on the test tube stand. Okay? Wait. No issues. Now we are having this straw. This will act as a straw. So what we exhale? Carbon dioxide. So in this exhale, आपको सांस बाहर निकालनी है. क्या करेगा? You have to blow it. उससे भी चलेगा, लेकिन इससे ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ CO2 आएगा नहीं. Can you see the bubbles?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What is these bubbles? These bubbles signifies that I am exhaling CO2 gas. Which gas? CO2 gas. Once again we will see. Just you have to blow, exhale the air inside the test tube. Yes, these bubbles signifies that we are exhaling the CO2 gas. Now, what you have to do? This is a syringe. Okay. Now we have that with the help of syringe, what will happen? So just you have to. We will fill some lime water inside the test tube. Yes, with the help of funnel. Thank you, Jatin. Just now blow the empty syringe inside it. Again blow and again empty it inside it. Frequently you have to do. Again blow. Then again. No, the bubble will not come. Yes. Again, then again, but the quantity of bubble is not like that as previously we were seeing. And now what we have to do? Now we will stir it again. Now, see, this was our first test tube in which I was blowing the CO2 gas, and this is our second test tube which I was just pumping the empty syringe inside it. So, this is much milky. That means with the help of CO2 it will turn more milky as compared to this. Now in this the concentration of slaked lime is more. That is why it is you can see that difference. But actually this will turn more milky as compared to this solution. So what does it means? It means that we exhale CO2 gas, and this syringe was having nothing. Okay, the percentage of CO2 gas was very less, or oxygen was there because empty vacuum is there inside the syringe. Nothing is there. That's why the first solution will turn more milky. Now you have to stir it continuously, then only it will happen, or you can see it. See, yes, milky white. This is the proof that CO2 gas we are emitting outside while exhaling while the process of respiration. Yes, that is the proof that we have to do, and that is why we are performing this experiment today. Okay, we can discuss it on Monday.